Happy Tuesday. It is Tuesday, June 8th, 2021. My name is Ashley Pollard, and I am here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage-related terms. Today's term is Certificate of Occupancy, aka C of O. And that is a document that is issued by the municipality, and it states that a building complies with all building, health, and safety codes, and that it may be occupied. Now, no new or altered buildings can be occupied before a certificate of occupancy is issued. Typically, we'll see the seller that requests this, but in instances where maybe the seller hasn't occupied the property or just doesn't want to deal with it, like in this market, sellers are getting away with not dealing with a lot of things, they will ask that the buyer get the C of O. So what's going to happen is a local official is going to come in. They're going to do an inspection of the building, and if everything passes, then they will issue the certificate. If not, then the home will not pass, and what will happen is the seller or buyer, whoever, will have to make adjustments, and then they'll have to come back and do a re-inspection. One thing to note now is that many municipalities actually do require a C of O before there is transfer of title, which means a sale, or change in tenancy for a property. So please make sure you know what your municipality is requesting of you. All 1 to 2 family homes actually have to be inspected for the presence of smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, and also carbon monoxide detectors. So if you are purchasing a home, or if you are a landlord or thinking about becoming a landlord, that's something you definitely want to keep in mind and make sure you have that in order, so that if there's ever anything that happens in the future, you don't get fined because you didn't know that your building wasn't certified. If you have any questions about C of Os, please, as always, reach out to me and I will assist you, or refer you to an attorney who can help. But if not, thank you so much for tuning in today. I will see you next Tuesday. Oh, thank you also to my cousin for this shirt, Scary Hours. For him, it kind of means basically I'm working when you're not, and I'm doing whatever I have to do and grinding. And it means the same thing for me, because sometimes the hours get real scary when you're going through certain things and challenges, and regardless of what it is, career, family, health. So Scary Hours, you're built for it. We're all built for it. Shout out to him. If you want the shirt, let me know and I will give you his contact information. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Have a great week.